This carnival ride starts to lose control as it begins to fall further and further backwards. Thankfully, nearby people acted quickly and started to use their bodies to weigh the machine down. The guy who jumped on first is a real hero and saved a potential catastrophe. It must have been a terrifying experience. And thankfully, no one was harmed.
When I caught a guy giving a knock on out, dragging him off with the parking lot. You know, I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. Harder than me, try to talk dogs, but I'm drunk as fuck. Right next to a humongous truck in a two-car garage. Walking out with two broken legs, trying to walk it off. Well, fuck you too, bitch, call the cops. I'ma kill you when them loud-ass motherfucking barking dogs.
Close calls caught on camera.
Come on, if your enemy can see you.
Whoa! Oh my god.